Adding and subtracting rational expressions, very similar to just adding fractions where you need a common denominator. So if I were to add these two together, they have the same denominator. So I can subtract. So you would do 3 minus 2 is 1x. And then negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. And that's over x plus 3. They have the same denominator, so you can add them together. And remember our restrictions here, x cannot equal negative 3, right? Because if I plugged in negative 3 for x, I would get 0 in the denominator. Can't have 0 in the denominator. Now, what if the denominators are not the same? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor this bottom piece, right? So I'm going to rewrite this denominator. And if I were going to do product sum, what times what is 2? That adds to give me 3. It's 2 times 1. So that's x plus 2 times x plus 1. So now the right side, we have the x plus 1, but we're missing that x plus 2. So what we can do is we can multiply that side by x plus 2 over x plus 2. The reason why we can do that is x plus 2 over x plus 2 is 1. And what happens when we multiply by 1? Nothing. Didn't change at all. If I multiply something by 1, nothing changes. So now I have the same denominator, so now I can add. Before I add, I'm going to distribute that x. So I'm left with x squared plus 2x and then I also have to add in this, so plus x minus 1, and that's going to be over the x plus 1, x plus 2. Now what you're also going to want to do is see if you can simplify the top. Okay, is there something you can do to the top? Well, I know I can combine my terms, right? This right here is going to be 3x. And then, can we factor it? Maybe. We might be able to factor and then cancel things out. Okay, just like we did in the multiplying lesson. In this case, you cannot cancel. You cannot factor this. What times what's negative 1 that adds to give you 3? It's not going to work. So in this case, you're done. And remember, don't forget about your restrictions. X cannot equal negative 1. X cannot equal negative 2. And that's it for today.